Hello and welcome back. In my last video we installed the wheel spacers to the rear wheels of this 2018 Honda Fit. I think the spacers really enhance the looks of this car by giving it a slightly wider and more aggressive stance. So today I'm very excited to install these lowering springs manufactured by Eibach. This kit is supposed to lower the front by 1.2 inches and the rear by 1.4 inches. Also included in the Eibach Pro kit are new dust boots and bump stocks for the rear struts. Now these were not the cheapest springs I could find, but in this car's case the rear needs to be lowered more than the front. And Eibach is a name that I recognized when it comes to springs. Now I took some rough measurements and the gap from the top of the fender is around 2 inches on the front of the car and 2.5 inches on the rear. That's what the clip looks like for the speed sensor. So we got the front ones completed. Now we're going to disconnect the shock. This is going to allow the suspension travel to go down just a little bit more so we can replace these rear springs. Well, just look at the difference in size on the springs already. So we're going to be able to reuse this hardware, these rubber mounts, and then we're going to go ahead and put these onto the rear struts.